So today we discuss posting profile overview. In Dynamics 365, a posting profile is a configuration tool used in various modules to define how transactions are reflected in the general ledger. Purpose: control how financial transactions are posted to a specific account in the general ledger. Benefits: streamlines accounting process by automating posting tasks. Who use posting profile? Financial professional. They configure posting profile to ensure accurate and consistent financial reporting. Accounts payable, receivable teams. These teams leverage profile to streamline posting of invoice and payments. Inventory management. Posting profile can automate account assignment for purchases and inventory adjustment. So explore in cost management module. Ledger integration policy setup. Click posting. So a well-defined chart of account within your legal entity. So you will see various types of different transaction type like purchase order, sales order, inventory, production, standard cost, variance. Posting type: within the chosen order you see cost of unit delivered, cost of goods sold delivered, cost of unit invoiced. Click new button to create new posting profile or edit this. So first we discuss table in both sides. So table: select a specific item or customer using item number. Group: apply the profile to a group of items. In item relation, this is a group, and in account code, this is a group of customers. In all, when I select here in all, apply the profile to all item, and here in account code, if I select here in all, apply the profile to all customer. Category: assign the profile based on item category. Here in category, so there is a categories. You can also associate a relevant sales tax role if applicable. What is the main account? In the main account field, specify the general ledger account where the transactions will be posted. So this is the main account: 140,100 raw material inventory. So there is a short. At this time you save this profile. So we need to select all and save the posting profile. There is a short review of posting profile.